We want to give a special thanks to MGA for sending these dolls to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today we are taking a look at Rainbow High Series 2. I've seen these online priced at $26.99 each. In this series we have new characters, new skin tones, new hair colors, new fashion, and a boy. Whenever males are added to a doll line, I always get very excited because, guys are kind of scarce in the doll world. A few months back, we unboxed Bella Parker, which was our first doll from Series 2. So I am very happy to complete my collection today with Amaya Rain, Crystal Bailey, River Kendall, Karma Nichols, and Stella Monroe. Wait, was that the name of the girl from Jonas? No, her name was Stella Malone, but it's pretty close. For this series, the packaging looks pretty standard. We have the doll on one side, fully dressed, and an extra outfit on the other. We can see the series and the doll's name at the top. There's a handle, and on the back, there is a picture of all of the dolls in this series. And at the bottom, it says, "Welcome to Rainbow High, the colorful art school full of bold fashion and even bolder drama." There is a Rainbow High show on YouTube where you can get to know the characters. I've only watched the first one, but you all know I am mainly here for the dolls, so let's continue. Starting with Amaya Rain. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look.
Not one of those chicks, take it somewhere else, would ya?
Out of the box, she comes with a doll stand with a matching comb, 2 black hangers, a second pair of shoes, black socks with white details that say rainbow, a Rainbow High cheerleading uniform. That is 3 separate pieces, so that's pretty cool. The doll comes wearing a black t-shirt that says Sparkle with a sequined strapless top and skirt. The skirt has faux zippers, and she has a removable black belt at the waist. And to finish her look, she wears shiny socks with black and gold heels. This doll does have that pearly finish to her face. She wears rainbow eyeshadow with glitter, a reddish lip color. She has rainbow hair with a lot of product in it. Those front curls are super crunchy, but it does look great from the front. The hair in the back doesn't have any product in it, and the curls are a lot softer. I'm not a huge fan of all of the hair product, but that's just me. This doll does have the articulation we expect to see in a Rainbow High doll, with side-to-side movement at the head, rotation at the shoulder. She can bend at the elbow, at the wrist, and it can turn. Her nails are painted. There is movement at the hip. She can bend at the knee. With this kind of knee joint, I would have liked to have seen a greater range of motion, but I do appreciate the articulation. Now let's try on that second outfit. I'm finding that I really have to take my time when getting her dressed. The sleeves and the socks are a little snug, in my experience, of course, and the little plastic stays from the packaging left some holes in the socks. Here she is in her white sparkle hoodie with her black rainbow cheerleading skirt, black socks, and colorful heels. Then we can add the top of her cheerleading outfit to complete the look. Up next, we have Crystal Bailey. Out of the box, she has a plastic headband, dark purplish blue hair. It's really soft in the back. The curls in front have product in them. Mine are a little crunchy, and there are some flyaways on the sides. She has light blue and purple eyeshadow, a pink lip color, dark painted nails. She wears a purple jacket that says Sparkle across the top, has faux buttons going down the front, faux pockets, sewn on details. There is a ribbon going down the arm. There's a cutout at the elbow, and the back of the jacket is solid. Underneath, she wears a shiny iridescent shirt. with a shiny holographic tube top underneath, a purple metallic skirt with faux zipper details. The top and the skirt are two separate pieces and Velcro in the back. And she wears a pair of purple, black, and silver heels. And I just noticed when I was describing the articulation earlier, I forgot to mention that they do have an upper thigh joint, allowing the leg to be turned in and out. And they have lashes. Her doll stand is like an indigo. It's a pretty blend between purple and blue. There is also a comb and two hangers. The second outfit, we have a silver top with ribbon straps, black stockings, which were under these purple jeans in the packaging. For me, getting the pants over the stockings was a little challenging, and I was very nervous that I was going to rip the stockings, so I'm just going to show them separately. These deep purple pants have pockets and belt loops. The pockets are functional, which we love, and that goes for the pockets in the back as well. There are cutouts at the knees and faux zippers at the bottom. She comes with purple, black, and silver heels that look like watches. She also comes with a purple jacket with glitter stars. I love these little metallic faux buttons, but right here on this belt loop, I do have to be careful not to pull them off while trying to undo the belt. I'm just going to put it on a hanger and leave it for show. Instead, I put her original purple jacket back on, and it makes a perfect matching set. Then I washed all of the product out of her hair. Then I can style it into a high ponytail, so she's nice and neat. And she can still wear her headband. Now let's take a look at River Kindle. Out of the box, we are finally taking a good look at our first Rainbow High guy. He does have a different face sculpt from the girls, and he doesn't have that pearly finish to his skin. He has faux lashes and glass-like inset eyes. He comes wearing a baseball cap that is held in place with a hole on the top of his head. He has teal-colored hair on top and a teal and blonde flocking on the sides. I am really liking his outfit. He comes wearing a teal jacket with black faux leather sleeves. It has a black and white trim, has rainbow embroidered on the back. Under the jacket, he wears a sleeveless hoodie that says Sparkle on the front. This is not a complete hood. It opens with Velcro in the back. There is a long sleeve shirt tied around his waist with faux silver buttons. It Velcros in the back, so it can be removed. He is wearing jeans with a silver faux button and pockets and belt loops. There is some distressing at the knees, which is awesome, and they are rolled up at the bottom. I absolutely love the jeans. There are pockets in the back and Velcros in the back. There are little ribbon details at the bottom, and they're a pretty good fit. And with this fabric, you could totally add distressing and get some super ripped jeans. His sneakers have this little orange tag, which reminds me of the Off-White brand. They are pretty cool. I really do love how they come painted. Just like the other dolls, he does come with a doll stand. It's a little wider at the waist. He has two blue hangers, a hair comb, and a second outfit. While changing clothes, we can see his articulation. Like the girls, he has movement at the neck, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, painted on undergarments, movement at the upper thigh, the hip, the knee, but unlike the girls, he has articulation at the ankle. So he actually has more articulation than the girls. His second outfit includes a white t-shirt that says Rainbow Paris, faux snakeskin shorts with black trim, and working pockets. I am able to remove his hands so we can dress him in this black jacket with gold and teal details, a faux zipper, and a hood trimmed with gold ribbon. He also comes with white socks with the word rainbow printed onto the side and an extra pair of sneakers with painted details. I love the fact that they paint their shoes. It just adds so much more detail. And I'm a big fan of the clothes too. And you see that? it is possible to balance him to stand on his own. Karma Nichols comes with a green doll stand, yellow hangers, a green comb. The doll has a kind of highlighter yellow blended colored hair. It's straight and there is product in the front. Let's go wash that out, then comb it and let it dry. While waiting, we can go ahead and check out the fashion. She wears a green mesh top with ribbon straps. She has a removable skirt piece with a belt attached. It has Velcro in the back. Underneath, she has a pleated tulle skirt with glitter dots and a mini skirt underneath, mesh socks, and green and black heels. Her second outfit is a lace jacket with silver buttons, a white rainbow tank top, a faux leather green skirt with a faux zipper and a belt, and green, clear, white, and black shoes. This doll has some fun green eyeshadow, brown eyes, and glitter lipstick, and green painted nails. Stella Monroe. She comes with a pink doll stand, a pink comb, pink hangers. Right out of the box, her hair is pretty decent. Her curls are staying together. There is a lot of product in the front, and we have a soft, loose curl in the back. She has pink hair, pink glitter eyeshadow, and a pink lip color, a beauty mark, a pearly finish to her skin. She wears a pink fur coat with ribbon details, a shiny pink metallic top, a white faux leather skirt with cutouts and crystals, pink fishnet socks with pink, gold, white, light pink, and black heels. I love how easy these are to get onto the doll. However, with her second pair of heels, I find them a little more challenging. When the shoes don't have a slit in the back, I find that it does take a little more time to work it over the heel. And I am so sad to admit that I have broken them before. The first time I broke a pair of rainbow high heels, I literally screamed. So let's just admire her second pair of heels, and I'm probably not going to put them on the doll. But they're hot pink, light pink, and black with gold painted details. I really like that fur coat. Now she is dressed in a pink satin top with lace and ribbon straps, a sheer skirt over a pink mini skirt, decorated at the top with sequins. And there is a tulle top with gold glitter for more layering. Completing our Series 2 Rainbow High collection. I really like that they added a guide to this series and that we have some new skin tones. My personal faves are these two because both of them give an option for pants. Absolutely love these jeans. And since my collection is getting pretty large now, I would like to create a display. And maybe we could reuse some of the packaging. So let's get crafty. I have 2 pieces of black foam board. I'm going to use one for a back wall. On the other one, I'm going to cut 2 6.5-inch strips. Stack and glue them together. This is going to be the base for my display. I cut 3 inches off the back wall just because I didn't need it quite so tall. Glue the floor to the back wall. Use leftover foam board to cut 2 3-inch strips. I'm just going to glue those onto the sides for support. Now I'm going to take the boxes from the packaging and glue them onto the back wall. I planned out where I wanted everything to go, then I glued them down to make a wall with a lot of storage. Take more pieces of the box and use it to trim the edges. Begin filling the display with Rainbow High accessories to make a new backdrop for our dolls. And we can display a few dolls on it as well. Speaking of dolls, we have a special guest, the Special Edition Kia Hart. Priced at $39.99, this Special Edition doll has some special packaging. One of the boxes on the front is shaped like a heart. We can see a few Series 1 characters at the bottom. On the back, we have Kia standing by herself. On the side, it says, Kia is the matchmaker at Rainbow High. who always tells it like it is, whether she's matching the perfect fashion pieces together or finding a special someone for one of her friends. She comes with a pink doll stand, a matching comb, pink hangers, rainbow heels that are gold on the bottom. She comes dressed in a white hoodie that says, "I love you, but I've chosen fashion." It has black strings with red hearts on the ends, and I think the undershirt might be a separate piece. Oh my goodness, it is! Okay, so we're getting two tops right here. She wears metallic silver pants with gold stitching, pockets, a little gold heart hanging off one of the pockets, heart pockets in the back. She has a black ribbon belt with a heart buckle. It's a separate piece. She has red hearts outlined in white going down her pants and XOXO, and they are cuffed at the bottom. She wears large gold-colored earrings that say rainbow, has gold-colored hair accessories, pink eyeshadow with a little bit of glitter, pink lips, a beauty mark. Her hair is pink with rainbow colors. It's braided at the top, and then it has crunchy curls hanging down. And her face has that pearly finish, and she has pink painted nails. She has the same articulation as the other dolls, and a second outfit, which has a white long-sleeve hoodie crop top with the word Heartbreaker and a rainbow across the front, pink shorts with pockets and crystals, and you can see the bottom of the pockets hang out a little. There is a faux shirt to go around her waist, a denim jacket with gold-colored faux buttons, embroidery, and patches. It says Sweetheart in the back. She has white heart socks and white pearly shoes with pink flocking, a gold buckle, and a red heart heel. I think both of her outfits are really cute. We get some great pieces here. I really like the shorts and the faux shirt. And I'm pretty crazy about this jacket. I love all of the details. I love the embroidery and the patches. And I'm probably going to pair it with a short sleeve shirt so I don't have to struggle with getting the long sleeves down the sleeves of the jacket. I feel like this doll fits right in with the rest of the line. However, she is an extra $10 and is labeled as Special Edition. So there we have it, Series 2 of Rainbow High, plus the Special Edition Kia Hart. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!